Alright, this is our latest project. We've converted a UEV 310 Conqueror to independent suspension. We've added the independent suspension is here. It's all Cruisemaster kit. Basically built a subframe and supported the existing chassis with an in-between component to fit the Cruisemaster system into. We've added kept the standard tyres and rims, which are 30" at the moment, but you could fit up to a 33 quite easily in there, maybe even a 35. We've added a nose cone extension, DO35, again Cruisemaster hitch, XO series jockey wheel. Overall, those modifications to suspension have lifted the trailer around 180mm. This one we've added a Bundutop tent to, along with our solar panel brackets and a 300-watt solar panel. It's a 1600 Bundutop tent, which we've also fitted with brackets, as we usually do, and then we've hung a ostrich awning off that. The roof racks that you see there are ARB rack feet with our steel crossbars. And we've made a gutter mount system, which is this thing here, custom, which allows the ARB feet to bolt to the trailer just like a gutted vehicle. And we've added a checker plate to the top, so the whole roof area, this is storage for firewood, jerry cans, fuel, whatever you like. So yeah, very capable little lightweight trailer with great accommodation. It's towing at, we think it's about 600 kilos at the moment. We're going to weigh it, but before we did any mods it was 550, so we've taken a few things off and put a few things on. So anyway, up to 750 we'd be guessing. Great departure angles, and yeah, I'm just going to go take it for a spin now.